In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a Fibonacci retracement on any chart so you can quickly spot potential pullback zones and areas of interest. Start by opening your chart on TradingView. This works on any market and any time frame, so pick the symbol and interval you care about most. The process is identical whether you're looking at stocks, crypto, forex, or futures, and whether you prefer 1-minute views or weekly trends. Next, look to the left side toolbar. Find the icon labeled Gann and Fibonacci Tools. It often looks like a set of angled lines, and it's grouped with other drawing tools. Click that icon to expand the menu, then choose Fib Retracement, also known as Fibonacci Retracement. This is the standard tool used to measure the depth of a move relative to its recent swing. Now identify the trend you want to measure. Think of a swing low as the most recent pivot where price stopped falling and turned up, and a swing high as the pivot where price stopped rising and turned down. For an uptrend, click on the swing low first, then drag your cursor up to the swing high that marks the top of that move. For a downtrend, do the opposite. Click on the swing high first, then drag down to the swing low. This direction matters because it tells the tool where the move began and where it ended, which aligns the percentages correctly. When you release the mouse, TradingView will draw horizontal Fibonacci levels between those 2 points. You'll see familiar percentages such as 23.6, 38.2, 50, and 61.8, among others. These aren't buy or sell signals by themselves. They're reference zones that many traders watch to gauge the strength of a retracement within the larger move. For example, shallow pullbacks may stall around 23.6 or 38.2, while deeper tests often probe the 50 or 61.8 area. The levels are automatically scaled to your chosen swing, so they adapt whether you measured a small intraday move or a multi-week trend. If your levels look upside down, it usually means the first and second points were reversed relative to the trend. Make sure you start at the beginning of the move and drag to the end, matching the direction of travel. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, select the Fibonacci Retracement tool from the Gann and Fibonacci Tools menu, anchor it from swing to swing in the direction of the trend, and let TradingView plot the key levels for you. With a bit of practice, this becomes a quick, reliable way to frame pullbacks and structure your analysis.